Hello, my name is Paul Blackmore. I'm the owner-proprietor of Blackmore's Watch and Clock Repair in Fredericton, New Brunswick. And this is for the benefit of my fellow clockmakers. I've run across this two-spring clock, and it has a most unusual half-hour chime. And I had to pretty well figure it out on my own, so I thought, for my own purposes, down the road, should I ever see a chime rod pattern like that? And I've marked it on this little sheet of paper so you can tell. To the best of my knowledge, I've got the tune right. So you're going to hear shortly in the video the tune when it plays. I'll put the pendulum on and let it tick. The back is the number 1, and the longest one, the 5th one, is number 5, and that's from the back to the front. Okay, so I'm going to attach this pendulum very carefully. That was a little Korean clock beside this one. It wasn't, whoops, it wasn't this one here. All right, there we are. So we have the pendulum on now. I'll just start that. Okay, now we're going to move it ahead and listen to the chime. And you can replay this. Actually, now on YouTube, you can replay it quarter speed if you need to determine what the sound is. So here we are. By the way, this one has got a barrel that slips back and forth. Take a lot of pictures of this movement before you take it apart to fix it, because it's a real tricky one. And there's a number of reasons why that barrel might stick. But anyway, we've got it. I think we've got it out of the woods here now. We're going to hear what it sounds like. Okay, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like on the hour. I'll move it ahead here to 2 o'clock. Okay, so for the record, you may want to, if you're happy with that tune and you think it's right, and if it's not, perhaps you can add it in the comment section of the video, what the tune should be. But I tried a number of them, and that seems to be the correct one. And also there is an option as well. This one was missing a part, to have it just give you like a bim bam melodic chime on the half hour. Just a single bim and a bam on the half hour. But I thought the chime that we've got it set on right now is actually better. So, okay, until next time, this is my shop here. I just doing the repairs and finally got this very difficult clock back together and running well. So until next time.